massive it is. It's so heavy. I can't wait to see what is inside. Like God, every spirit of damaged product, I rebuke it, because I don't want to see damaged product then I have to return it. No, guys, the long wait is here. This is a bigger ring light, like a bigger one for a brighter video for you guys. We've got a bigger one before in Cyprus, so when we want to leave, like, we don't want to be carrying ring light around, so we just left it there. Then when we got to Nigeria and we needed to shoot, so we have to go and get a smaller ring light, like 12 inches ring light. So when we're about leaving, and my husband said we are going to be making a video in the hotel in Lagos, so I think we will need the ring light. Maybe from there we can just throw it away, because it's very long, 12 inches. So we're just thinking how we're going to carry it to the UK, so it's not possible. So we just carry it to the hotel. After making the video, I found out that I can even break the ring light and put it inside the bag. I didn't let Oga know, because if not, he would not even allow it. So I just codedly do it. So when we got to the airport, he noticed when our bag was too much, the local airport, so they were like, we should go and remove the ring light. Remove what? So I just asked the girl, is there any way I can package it? He said, go and wrap it with sellotape so it can go inside the bag. So when we got to the UK, found out that the ring light just got broken. Broken, but it's still on. So we just have to, let me just show you in a second how we have been managing it. Wait. Guys, you can see what we'll be passing through. Like, this light have suffered in my hand, and the on and off is stick to it. You can imagine when we're making a video far away from it, you have to be going on and off to switch it off. The cord is very small, like you can see it, guys. You see that? Oh yes, that's how we've been managing it, tying it with sellotape. When the sellotape got wet, you're going to see my phone bending down to my face saying Alakubaro. I don't know if you guys noticed it on my last live video. So Oga was like, no, we have to get this thing, is important. So we ordered for a bigger one on Amazon. Amazon, I just want to say thank you for all the product we've been getting from you guys from Amazon. I want to say thanks to all the sellers in Amazon. Guys, all the product we've been ordering there came so good, like in a good condition. I can't wait to open this one to know what is inside. Guys, let's go and open it together. These people can always use a bigger carton to package all your packages. You think maybe it's something big that is inside. Example, this one. You can see as big as this one. The thing that is inside is very small, like ants, like this. They always secure the product very well for it not to get damaged before it gets to the owner. My heart is beating. I hope it's as big as what we ordered. We got this for 80 something pounds. I'm going to be leaving the link under the comment section. Alright guys, I don't want this video to be too long. Let me just voice over. As you can see in the picture, this light is a 10 inches ring light, and it came with a tripod stand which is 18 inches long, and it came with a remote for you to switch on and off the light, and at the same time change the mode from the remote. It also came with a Bluetooth. You can connect it with your phone. When you're making a video, you don't have to go to the light to start your video. Just click on the remote to start your video. That makes it so easy. As you can see in the back, it came with 2 USB points, and also 3 phone holder and a camera holder. Yeah, the camera holder is a little bit stronger than the phone holder, and the phone can take almost all 4 in the market at the moment. Also, you can also see the bag as well in the picture. Guys, trust me, it's really nice. I have something like this before, 18 inches long, but that doesn't have anything like a button at the back, but you also have a screen touch. It's just like a screen touch on the front, which I think I prefer it more than this, but I didn't see something like that. That's why I just go for this. So Oga is here just helping me to pull this one, because it was a little bit different from the one we got before, so he just have to come to let's rub mine together and fix it. So guys, you can see the switching and switching are here, me just doing my thing. Like, it's really frame. Yeah, I can say that is frame. This is the remote. Why didn't they put battery inside? Seller, why are you not putting battery inside? Jero people, this is me just eyeing her. In case you see this video, go and buy me battery. Alright guys, I'm just here doing my tail, thinking of the videos I'm gonna be throwing on TikTok. I just the con the stop person. I better go, Joe. So this is me trying my first TikTok video with my life, guys. Love you guys.